Seeing the crowds, he went on to the mountain, and when he was seated his disciples came to him. Then he began to speak. This is what he taught them. How blessed are the poor in spirit, the kingdom of heaven is theirs. Blessed are the gentle, they shall have the earth as inheritance. Blessed are those who mourn, they shall be comforted. He had made up his mind to do this when suddenly the angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream and said, "Joseph, son After they had left, suddenly the angel of the Lord appeared to Joseph in a dream and said, "Get up, take the child and his mother with you, and escape into Egypt.